morning, everyone. It's Friday, and I thought it would be fun to do a weekend vlog this weekend. This was our first week back to school, and today I thought it would be fun to kind of wrap up the week by taking our first field trip. So we're going to go to the nature center. I mentioned before we're a one-car family, so my dad is actually letting us borrow their car. So he's going to come over and bring us the car, and then tomorrow we're spending the day with my parents because Chris is working. So we'll just bring it back to them tomorrow. So they live really close to us, 10 minutes or less away. So I am very thankful that we have that option when I want to take field trips and stuff like that, because Chris has a 45-minute commute, so it's harder for me to drop him off at work. So anyways, I'm making breakfast right now. So I went to a ladies get together with some of the ladies from my church. It was all homeschool moms, and it was just really fun and really refreshing. Anyways, we were supposed to bring like a appetizer or dessert type thing. I ended up bringing these roll-ups. I'm going to do a whole video on them later on, but pretty much just so you get the gist of it. They were so good. It's just pastry dough, cream cheese, some bacon, and I put some Mexican cheese, and I baked it at 400 for about 15 minutes. Anyways, they turned out so good. We're going to have a couple with our breakfast this morning, and then we're going to get ready and head to our first field trip. So we're just going to go to the nature center and have like a easier day today, kind of to like recuperate from our first week back to school. It is just after 10:30 and we have finally made our way to the nature center. It is really hot. I normally try to make it to places by like 9, but it just did not happen this morning. Let me know, does anyone else feel like it's a full day affair when you're trying to get somewhere with little kids? Normally I can get my act together, but today it just didn't happen. So we're here. We'll probably be here about 30 minutes, and then the kids really want to go to the library too, because we haven't been in a while. So I'm hoping we can do both. I'm hoping Ella will let us. So we'll be here and then to the library. Yeah. Oops, sorry, buddy. The birds are all hanging out in the shade today because it is so hot, right? I think the birds are hiding under the trees, right? The birds are hiding from the people? Yeah, the birds, I think, need some cool air. Oh, there's some more butterflies.
Where?
Up ahead. Thank God for shade and trees. Right? This is the wetlands before there were cities. Isn't that pretty cool? These used to all be water. And look here. We got all that water. I don't know what that one does. The next day, I am waiting for my Keurig to warm up. Feels so weird. Chris is at work. It's actually Saturday, but he works most Saturdays, so he's at work. And my parents took the kids for about 2 hours just so I can get a few things done, so I could film a few videos for August. And then I'm going to go to their house. So I am just making myself breakfast really quick, and it feels so weird because it's so quiet, like nobody is here. Because normally I at least have Ella with me, but since it's for a short time, they took her too. So it just feels so quiet, but I am going to make breakfast, and then I'm going to clean the kids' room, and of course I'm going to film that. So I'm going to do like a clean with me of the kids' room, and I'll kind of give you a sneak peek of some of the decorations I've done. I'm not filming a room tour yet for their rooms, because the girls' room, there's so few things I want to do, and it might take a little while just because we can't spend any more money on their like on decorations for the room right now. So it'll take a little while, and I want to paint like the girls' side table, nightstand thing, and all of that. So probably the room tour won't be until next month, but I'm really happy with how it turned out. So it'll give you some sneak peeks of that. So be on the lookout for that video because that's coming soon. Also, I filmed a under the kitchen sink organize with me video last night, and I love how it turned out. I'll show you guys now in just a second. That video will have gone live before this one, so if you didn't see how I organized it, definitely go check out that video. So I'm gonna eat breakfast and then I'm gonna get to cleaning. Okay, so I just finished the kids' rooms. Just want to give you guys a little sneak peek. Here is Hunter's room. Nice and clean. And then I'll show you the girls' room. Okay, and then here is the girls' room all picked up. It smells so fresh. I love the smell of a freshly cleaned room. So that is all picked up. I'm going to show you guys the under the kitchen sink really quick because I told you I would. And then I'm going to be heading to my parents' house because I got to go over there. And I'm going to be spending the day there with them. Okay, here's a look at under the kitchen sink. To get all the details on how I organize this, definitely check out the video because I go through what products I use and different things I use to organize and all of that. So definitely go check that out, but here's a little sneak peek. Hey everyone, it's Sunday and I have totally failed at vlogging. It gets so crazy with the 3 kids that I have to be so intentional about remembering to grab the camera and start vlogging. And I'm so out of the routine of vlogging that I forget. So, we pretty much went to church, had lunch, and then the kids napped, and then I came to Aldi now to go grocery shopping, and they have tons of really affordable organizing stuff. So I want to show you some of the things that I really like for a great price. Okay, so here are some of the things. They have this 2-tier shelf. This is $4.99. Then they have this over-the-door organizer for 30 bucks. I had bought this before. This is $6. They're out of the drawer organizer I used at this Aldi, but they might have it at others. They also have this shelving for $14.99, which I feel like that's a really good deal for like the metal racks. I feel like that's a great deal. They also have cube organizers. I don't see the price on those. I think they're $25, which that's a steal. And they have tons of like fabric organizers. And then they have the acrylic organizers. I don't see prices on these, so my guess is they vary. And then they have these plastic bins for $5. They also have this spinner for $12.99, which I feel like is a really good deal for that. And then another bath stand here. This one is a little bit more expensive, but it's a little bit bigger, and that one's $12.99. I just finished at Aldi, and can I just say, if you go somewhere where you have to bring your own bags, I definitely recommend this huge insulated bag. It's from Costco. I think it's $6.99 or $7.99, and it's worth every penny. Now I am heading home to put all of this away. Here is another organization sneak peek video of this coming soon. I am so happy that I took the time to organize this fridge because it was such a mess, and now it feels so fresh and so clean. And I love the bright light of the fridge. Can I just say that is like the best, having like clean, organized fridge with a bright light. Okay, so I am done organizing, and it feels so good to organize a space. Like, it always brings me so much joy after I organize a space to like open it up and see how like beautiful it looks. Like, for me, it feels so good to have a beautiful space even if everyone doesn't see it. Like, I feel like when it looks beautiful, it stays organized longer, in my opinion. Maybe that's just how my brain works, but to me, when something is like beautiful, it'll stay organized longer. So anyways, I feel like I had an organized weekend, which is nice because there's so many spaces in our house that we still have to organize. So it feels good to tackle a few projects over the weekend. So I hope you enjoyed seeing the sneak peeks. Definitely be on the lookout for all those videos. And if there's any other type of videos you guys want to see, let me know. I hope you guys are enjoying all of these videos. I really enjoyed making the back to school week or back to school prep series. That was really fun for me, and I'm really excited now to do a bunch of like organizing videos because those are super fun for me too, and super helpful to me. So I really enjoyed those. But if there's any other types of videos you guys want to see, let me know. Chris and I are gonna have dinner. We're gonna just do like nicer sandwiches, and we're gonna watch The Flash. Let me know. Right now we're currently watching the latest season of The Flash on Netflix. Like, we wait for it to go on Netflix and then watch it on Netflix. Let me know, what are the shows you guys are watching right now? Chris and I are, we don't have tons of time to watch shows together. So the shows we watch together are So You Think You Can Dance and The Flash. And then I currently, on my own, am watching World of Dance. I'm obsessed with World of Dance. And then a show, it's a new show called Take Two. It's okay. It's like from the people that made Castle, and I loved Castle, so I started watching this show, but I don't like it as much as I like Castle. And then I'm behind, but I'm watching a show called Reverie, and that I really am enjoying. So let me know, what are you guys watching right now? And because I don't have tons of time to watch TV, but it's always nice to find stuff to watch. So yeah, let me know your suggestions in the comments. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I know it was kind of scattered all over the weekend, but I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you guys in another video tomorrow. Thank you for watching. Bye.